Hey, this morning we're in the box garden and we're refurbishing the chips in this little aisleway. This becomes a holding area for plants, potted plants. It's a really nice bed that's not a bed. It's access, but it's also a place where we can put plants in pots like this and then nestle them down into the chips. All right, so today we went to get chips, and this amazing mycelium is showing itself here. And so we've been also having to get more food for the chickens because we lost a 2-acre pasture that the chickens have used for the last 20 years. And so we're actually going to take this myceliated wood chips. Wow, it just smells so good, just like mushrooms. And then it's going to go into the chicken yard, and they're going to have a feast. High in protein, rich in minerals. I don't know that there's anything really that I've seen chickens eat that they like more than the myceliated wood chips. So we actually use them as part of the feeding program here at RavenCroft for the chickens during the winter especially. And we're just going to spread the rest of these chips out here to give us our bed, our holding bed. Great. All right. Eaglesong Gardener signing off from RavenCroft Garden. Come see us down at eaglesong-gardener.com.